Hi everyone, this is Toby again with NEPA Builders, and today's expert tip is on maintenance-free decking. We live in Northeast PA, so we all know that our fun in the sun is limited to a few short months. Having a maintenance-free deck means that you get to enjoy your outdoor living space, especially when the weather is nice. If you're frustrated with having to reseal or retreat your deck every year, then maybe you should consider replacing it with materials that don't require maintenance and can save you valuable time. Composite deck boards come with a factory finish that never have to be resealed or retreated. Vinyl or aluminum railings provide an amazing look and also don't require maintenance. Other great options include lighting in your deck to create ambience, or underdeck systems that collect rainwater so that you can also enjoy the space below your deck. For more tips and information, you can visit our website, YouTube channel, or any of our social media platforms. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.